So I've sewn up one of these two little ears, but obviously can't sew it up all the way because the fold, if you remember the way we cut it, is the flat part that goes up against the head, right? Remember how we cut these out of the sock? So you can't obviously stitch it all the way around. You got to stitch it part way and then leave a little opening. And I've just left the thread dangling because I'm going to use that same thread to attach the ear to the head later. But I haven't turned it inside out yet, so I'm going to do that now. And I've just left barely big enough opening to do that. And just turn it, oops, there goes all kinds of sock left flying away. I'm just going to turn it inside out just like all the other pieces. But, and there we have a little ear. And yeah, like I said, I just left the thread I used to stitch that ear up dangling because after I stuff the ear, I'm going to use that same thread to sew it to the side of the head. So there's one of the ears there, and there's a thread we'll use later. And now I'll do the other one. And here it is. I'm just going to, so that's the way it was folded with the sock. So like everything else, you do it inside out. So I'm going to fold it that way and just kind of get the two edges of the curve lined up. Yep, and again, I'm just gonna tie a knot in a new piece of thread, start there, stitch all the way around, and leave, like I said, about 1/2 inch to turn it around and leave the thread hanging for later.